Please check out channel here. Today we have an awesome playset. Here you can see Thomas number 1. Then you can see Edward, Henry. Here you can see James, Percy, Toby, and Duck. Then you can see, I believe it's Donald. Yes, it is Donald. Then you can see Douglas. So it's number wise from 1 to 10. You can see 11 is I have to take that one out to see who it is. Then you can see Stephanie, Mavis, Rusty, and Birdie the Bus. Here you can see Harold, and finally you can see who is it? It's our Topham Hat. Here you can see on the other side it says in Japanese language or Chinese language. I can't read that, otherwise I would be able to tell you more about these characters. And this is how it should look once you put everything together. Alright, I just took it out from the packet and this is how it looks. How awesome it is. You can see it has frames, so you can put them on display like this, and it looks really cool, huh? Here you can see these are the connectors. So all of these engines, you can connect them with these connectors. I like the way they put it in the packet. And it also comes with, look at this. Here you can see it comes with track. So these are like paper, but you can play with this like a CD, little CD it has with I believe Soda Island's setting. So once you put it together, I believe you get like 2 of these. So once you put it together, you should be able to play with these tiny characters. Alright, okay, let me just, oh no, this is just one piece. I thought it's 2 pieces, but anyway, all these characters should fit on this play zone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put it right here, and I'm gonna just unbox it. Oh, and it has some plastics. Yes, let me go ahead and just unbox it and show it one by one. Here comes Thomas, you can see. Very cool Thomas. And you can see this is how you'll connect it. This is where you'll connect it. Okay, first Thomas. You can see Edward with tender, huh? Look at this, cool. Oh, how cool Henry looks, with lots of details on it and very minutely designed one. Here you can see Gordon, number 4 Gordon. Look how they put the wheels beneath. Cool. Let me show you now. James, the bright engine of Soda Island. James looks really bright, huh? Wheels, they're all working wheels. There come the popular Percy, number 6 small engine, mail delivery engine of Soda Island. Here you can see how cute Percy looks. Alright, now after Percy, who comes? Number 7, the Tram Engine of Soda Island, a square shape. Look at this. Toby is the Tram Engine, and here you can see the connector. That's cool, huh? Alright, look at this one. Duck. I like Duck. I believe a lot more other people also like Duck. If you do, leave a comment. There comes Donald. Wow, that's cool, huh? So these are in an effort to show International Thomas and Friends playset. These are Asian. You get them from Asia, and these are not very common. It's a really rare in USA. with, as you can see, it comes with a tender, which is cool. After that, let me go ahead and show you. Look at this guy. He looks like a duck because it says GWR, but leave a comment if you know the name. It looks, I'm not sure the name of this guy here. And here comes Stephanie. Look at this, with long funnel, 55 number. That's cool. After Stephanie, here comes Mavis. Mavis reminds me of Toby because of the square shape, you can see. Let me go ahead and show you Toby. That's how you can get a kind of comparison. Look at that. You see? The Mavis, his name is written there on both sides. After that, you get to see Rusty. Look at that. That's Rusty, number 5. Isn't it cool? Rusty is also kind of a square shape, pretty much like Toby and Mavis. Here comes a bus, which is not an engine, and it's a Birdie the bus. Very cute Birdie. I like Birdie the bus. And then comes, look at that. Harold the helicopter. Cool, huh? Very cute. And after that, you get to see this guy, Sir Topham Hatt. Here you can see in the playmat we put all the engines that we got here. Look at this, how awesome they look. Lots of details, lots of play zones, lots of areas. I'm sure they tried to copy Sodor Island. Here you can see James, Harold the helicopter, Thomas and Harold. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe for more and check the other videos, so please check out channel. I put a link below. You can see a lot more other videos in my link in comment section, also in my description. Thank you.